But just a story back, I'm making fluffy slime. It's like this butterscotch yellow with some Elmer's white glue, some peppermint foaming soap, borax, shaving cream, the barbel cells, and I mix and spoon in this bowl. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I wish the whole thing. Sorry guys, my baby brother's under the table right now. If you hear some weird noise, that's from my baby brother. So I'm so sorry. I will be talking so loud. Wow. So, rip headphone users. It's so much work. Why go to gym when you can just make some slime? More foamic soap. It makes everything. Oh! Did you just? Oh my gosh! I thought I got it in my shoes. Oh my gosh. Why? Oh, we're gonna find this. It's so messy, baby. Here's after being a week. And when I was recording this, I said it was gonna be so strong. It's really weak. Thought it would be strong. Professional work for me except for Thai. That's basically like contact solution and baking soda. It just does not work out for me. It's bizarre. It's so bizarre. I wish he was in another room right now. Guys, when I start to activate slime, I get so quiet. I'm so concentrated. Like, I don't want to ruin a slime because, like, all my slimes, I think it's so perfect. And they are to me. You know? I think it's time to go with my hair. No, get that blue out. That was a mistake, not cleaning my spoon. That is going in the trash. going with my hands. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, I said in this when I was recording this, if you hear my baby brother, I can't mute him. It's just how life is, you know. You can't mute people even if you wanted to. So I always like one hand out to hold the ball and to like scrape off the slime off of it. This is such nice slime. I always like using my hand to and then to mix, and the hand to scrape off and make the ball. And it's actually very helpful. And sometimes I'll just get it in a, like, literally for like 10 seconds and I'm out, as you just saw. Should I read this class? Fun. You know what? I know my slimes are glossy. I always forget. There we go. See what I mean? It's not me. It's my brain. Click one other hand. It's like, this is how I make such medicine. Literally. I legit concentrate and like switch hands. And stuff, and yeah. So yeah, guys, I know it's going in the trap. It's gonna be my dress. God. No. Wow, okay guys, let's do some ASMR and we're going to do the outro. But it won't really be ASMR because of my baby brother. Okay, be quiet, I'm doing some ASMR, okay? So that was it for the ASMR. I know this video was super short. Sorry. So let me just give you a close-up of my slime. It looks green. It's actually really like thick and it's like, oh my goodness. It's really thick. So like, it's really thick and it's really cackalackles. That's what I say for like populous. So yeah, that was it. This video was like 12 minutes long. I thought it was short. My videos are always 6 minutes long, but now it turned into 12. Wow, so original. And it's so like, it's so fluffy. I love to like press it down and it's like that. So that was it for the slime video. I hope you enjoyed this video of me making some slime. I know it was different, but you know my facts about making some good slime, baby. Some real good slime. Oh my gosh. When I first started, I thought all you had to do was take some, when I first started making slime, I thought all you had to do in making some slime is oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. There's my brother's finger. This makes my slime super smell. It makes my slime smell really good, okay? Great, now it melted my slime. That was it for this slime video. I know it was strange. It's kind of frustrating working with. Because of how I had to restart the video. Yay! Yay! How I had to restart the video. Stuff like that. So yeah, now you know my